everyone. Today we will learn symmetry by paper folding and cutting. Take one A4 sheet of light color. Fold it half and then draw a face. Now cut the face and eye neatly. Open the paper and you will get the face like this. Don't forget to draw a curve in the ear. Now take another A4 sheet of different color and draw curve like this for hair. Cut the curve part of the shape, then open the paper and cut the shape into two equal halves. Now paste the hair behind the ear like this. Now take red paper and draw the curve for lips. Then cut the curve part of the shape, that is lips. Then open the paper, then cut the lips into two equal halves. After that, now paste the lips on the face like this. Now take another A4 sheet of different color and draw head like this. Then cut the shape, open the paper and cut the head into two equal halves. Paste the head on the face. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the activity.